Okay, at di kami sa video sa po with delegate nga kakamokong Madam Esperenda po at may baka. What's your experience?
May gwapo kaming... May gwapo! Gano'n lang.
Basta kayo ay pangig ko kayo mang Jamie ticket mo.
Ayun! Diya tara, promise may gwapo pero gano'n yung mga... Bad ka kay Bad!
What about you, Sana? Chara? Chana? You useless coordinator?
You're bad! I hate you, don't suck on me.
Synthetic sound? Oh, you're calling? What about you? What can you say to Bon?
I love you. Nothing.
And?
Nothing. Happy birthday.
And?
Nothing. Your pala.
And?
No more, no less.
And wait, where's Christine? Where's Christine? Where's Christine?
Christine. And you. And Brian.
Why are you so quiet, you emo-ish? You smile full bitch. Oh,
Bitch.
what can you say to our 5th day?
It's so disgusting. But yeah, over it.
Apian, sa apian.
I don't know Apian. Apian is so disgusting.
Oh, don't see a picture me.
Yeah. She's so overexposure.
Overexposure.
Yeah. Nakakasuya.
Katuya.
No, makakasuya.
Our 5th day is epic fail.
No, makama. No, don't save the best for that. Promise. Oh, that's
Yes.
yes. Nakakasama ng loob. Promise.
Lesson, don't expect too much.
Oo nga naman. It's Christine.
Oh, cheers. And what can you... Are you Christine or Philomel? Ayun. Okay, it's getting boring. Wait, I'm...
Goodbye. Oh, there's a family she's doing there. Oh.
Where? Oh, wait, I'm gonna do Mr. Bean. Okay, I'm gonna go CR and let's see how... Oh, and I'm done. And I'm done. Oh my god. That. The smell of holy water. The holy water. You know.
Holy water.
What can you say about our, you know, our leader, session leader?
Yeah.
Our, yes? Can you say?
Oh, Brian is saying something.
Oh. No, we just want to say his name. Right. Who's your girlfriend?
Don't deny
You?
me. Yeah. Yeah, don't deny me, BJ Bates.
Talk to the hand.
Sarah, don't be malicious. Don't deny me. Please don't.
Okay.
Goodbye. Lolo! Ganun yung ginawa mo kayo.
We're so disgusting. Yeah.
Colin. So disgusting. With our fellow.
Oh.
Oh,
You're not
what can you
my
say about
pro.
them?
Okay, let's go upstairs.
Oh no, that's
Let's go
area.
up. Yes, restricted. So that's why I'm gonna go there. Oh my god, it says restricted. Didn't you know that Itachi Hashimoto? I know, Kakashi. He says that the people who break the rules are called scum. But people who don't care for their friends are worse than scum. So you have to break the rules in order to save your friends. So I think there's someone there who needs help upstairs. Oh my goodness, can you see? That's tough room. Oh my god. There's father and a sister. Okay, it's getting boring. I'm doing my best to make this day joyful. Okay, let's see. Ay, natawag to lang. Ay, natawag to yan. Okay, let's wait until he comes out. Oh my, you're so... Go picture your face.
Picture?
Oh wait, the camera was broke.
Go picture, yeah.
Hindi broke.
Picture. Go picture. Picture. Pwede naman. Tapos.
Okay, what else? What else? What else? What else? Hey, you're copycat.
1, 2, 3. Wow.
Ah, wait. Sampay. Wait lang, picture. Alright.
1, 2, 3, 1. What is this one?
California girl. Na?
Wala.
California. Nagkarampang ito. Ay, record pa lang. Hey.
What? Hey.
Hey. Huh?
Hey.
Girlie just caught my eye. Yes. What will I do inside? She's pretty, but her nose is flat.
Ako? You're pretty black.
But you're black.
Black is weird.
But too much black is sharp.
You're white, but you're ugly. And she's weird.
So, same to you, you're white, but you're up.
You don't make gaya-gaya. You make your own.
Okay, you're white and you're puta.
You're hammer. You're pokpok. Wow. Ano nga yun? Off mo na. Papanoorin na natin.
5, 6, 7, bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
By your face.
By your face.